Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a video of Aladdin inspired nails on my naturals. I have a picture over here that I wanted to show you guys of what it is inspired by, and I got these from Pinterest. My main one is focusing on this one right here. As you can see, it has a rhinestone right in the middle, and I'm just in love with those nails. So I want to do my pinky a solid color, my ring finger just like the index finger right there, my middle finger glittered towards the ends, index finger glittered towards the ends, and then my thumb a solid color. So let's see how they will turn out. And then as you can see, like up at this one, it has the bands of it, so that's also an inspiration. So let's go ahead and get started. This is OPI in Bubble Bath. This is Sinful Colors. This is Bright Lucid. Glittered Blue is Ice Dream. And then this is a new one I picked up for this tutorial. This is Liquid Gold from Sinful Colors. I am also using these rhinestones that I picked up from the store, and then these 10-piece brushes. So I will be using this fine tipped brush to do my lines. I've already prepped my nails for this. I actually want to go ahead and start with the fun stuff. So let's start with the fun stuff. Do one coat. And I've noticed that as you have like longer nails, your nail painting gets more on point. It's more steady. So I'm gonna do another coat of that nude. I mainly want this part right here to be on point. And while we let that dry, we can go ahead and do our navy blue in our pinky. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and do that on your thumb as well. With my middle finger and my index finger, I want them to have the nude in the center and then blue outwards. And you will be grabbing your second coat and doing that again. So once you have done your solid colors and you've done your tips, we're gonna get to the fun stuff, adding the rhinestone and then doing our band with our fine tip brush. Follow that guideline. And do it towards the bottom. Okay, so once we have our bands of gold, we will go ahead and get one of our rhinestones and place them right in the middle. And the way we will place them is by using nail glue. At least this is what I use. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and do a little dot. So once you got your rhinestone in there, then we can go ahead and move in with these two other fingers with our glittery blue. And this doesn't have to be perfect because we just kind of want to just like fade it out ever so slightly. There we go. And that's how it looks from afar. We are gonna clean up the edges towards the ends, and we are gonna do the same thing for our next hand. Okay guys, so the second hand is done, and then to finish it off you just use your top coat of choice or your nail strengthener, which works as a top coat as well. Once again, that is that. Cleaning up the edges, I will do that.